What's going on, everybody? Great to have you here. My name is Matt Scaletti, and I'm an ACE certified health coach. You can see some of them back there. A fitness nutrition specialist, a mind-body specialist, and a certified personal trainer. I've competed in Mr. Pittsburgh. I've won multiple times. I have 2 world records for lifting over 1,000,000 pounds in the gym in 9 and 10 hours. And I love all things healthy living. When you take my course, you are going to benefit in amazing ways. You will learn new exercises. You will build confidence in not only your body, but in creating your own exercises in the future. You're going to learn about having a great fitness philosophy. The body is great, but the mind is a beast as well. And I want to help you learn how to conquer this as well as your body. Also, you can see I'm smiling. I want you to learn or get more ideas on how to have fun while you're working out. Workouts don't have to be boring. They can be fun and enjoyable while also being intense. I'm also going to teach you what to do before you work out. And what I mean by that is proper nutrition, making sure you're getting enough sleep the night before, hydrating yourselves, and coming up with wonderful ways to warm up before the actual exercise. Then I'm going to teach you exact ways to do the exercises. I'm not just going to throw the exercises out there. I go step by step for you regarding the different exercises that we're going to use in our 15-minute routines. And then the most fun part, you get to put on your workout outfit, and I have 2 real-time 15-minute workouts that I do. And these are very similar workouts I've done to compete on the stage and to get my world records. So they work. I've taught them to many different people that I've coached and trained over the years, and now I want to teach them to you. I'm excited. I hope you're ready to get some great knowledge and amazing workouts in. Enjoy the course. Can't wait to have you.